I know the lighting kind of suck, but I have to get this done. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, and it's another vlog for you guys. So I just woke up, laid the bed, and just sitting on the floor before taking my shower, because I need to go out and get some things done. And yeah, maybe get some yogurt on the way back, because we're gonna need that for today's cooking. So on today's menu, I'm going to cook roti bread with chicken tandori masala. Yeah, we're gonna do that. In case you don't know what chicken tandori masala is, it's just like a stir-fried chicken or grilled chicken with some gravy, you know. Yeah, that's what is basically it. So yeah, I'll just go take my shower. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Sit back. I'm on the kabashi. Envelope in a yeah, squeezing is she? Let me have it. I was in a back a cash, dirty boy. I be this a dirty boy. I'll be so look at your mouth. See your mouth. I must stop. Alright, so we're in the car, we're heading out. My kids will escort me. Say hi. No. You're not going to say hi? No. Oh my goodness. Alright. Okay, Tom. So all my plans got shattered. I ended up coming to my mom's place. Hello. So yeah, like I said, all my plans got shattered. I just ended up coming to my mom's. So I will spend some time here, then later I'll go home. It looks like I'm not even going to cook today. Yeah, because I know if I come here, I'm definitely going to stay here for a little long before I go home. So I'll go introduce you all to my family. This is Atta, my immediate junior brother. So I am back home and in the kitchen now. I'm going to show you how to make chicken tandoori masala. So I have my chicken here, chicken breast cut in chunks. Then I'll add some chili powder. I'll add some salt. Corriander, maybe a teaspoon or less. Then I'll add some curry like that. Then I'll also add some ginger and garlic. This is ginger and garlic. Then I will add 1 lemon. Then I will add my garam masala mixture. Lastly, I will add some yogurt. So this is the yogurt I got. Normally I use a Greek yogurt or Habib yogurt too. Any yogurt that is thick, that doesn't have the water in it. But since I didn't get any of those, I bought the Farm Fresh yogurt. Is it Farm Fresh? Did I say Farm Fresh? Farm Pride. Yeah. So I'm going to add maybe a tablespoon. So I'll let this to marinate a bit, maybe for 15 minutes or 20, just depending on the time I have, but normally I will let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. So this is what my mixture looks like. So my chicken tandori masala has been simmering for like 10 minutes and it is done. This is what it looks like. You can totally add water if you want, because I'm going to eat it with bread. That's why I prefer it to be like this consistency. I want it to be a bit thick. You can also eat this with white basmati. I will mix my poori bread. I have like 2 cups of flour here. Yep. I don't know if you can see that, but let's see. This is it, 2 cups of flour. To it, I will add baking soda. Like that. I'll also add some yogurt. Maybe 2 tablespoons. You need a cup of water. So I'll mix the yogurt first. Till my flour looks like this. And then I'll start to add water. I still have this small flour left. Just keep kneading it until everything is well incorporated. You have to knead it for at least 5 to 10 minutes until you get a really soft dough. So this is my dough after kneading it for 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll cover it with a clean film or kitchen towel. We're gonna let it sit for 20 minutes, then we'll roll it and fry. I'm just putting them in small balls.